Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're logged in, so jump straight to the items area and start building structure. Create a category for each section because organization speeds ordering and reporting. Once the category exists, add your first item with a clear name, a precise price, and a short descriptive line so customers know what they get. Make sure to upload a photo to boost conversion. Also enter SKU or item code, now so inventory and sales tracking work without extra edits later. Once items exist, focus on how customers customize orders. Create variations for size or type and assign individual prices because that prevents manual overrides at checkout. Then build modifier groups, add-ons, sides, or special requests, and attach them to relevant items so staff and customers see the same choices. While you're here, enter cost and tax settings for each item to ensure margins and reports reflect reality. Make sure location assignment is correct so inventory syncs where you sell. Now finalize by publishing the menu and pushing changes to POS and your online store. This makes updates live across devices. After publishing, perform a quick test transaction on the register or web preview to verify prices, modifiers, and tax calculations. If something looks wrong, first confirm location and user permissions, then clear browser or app cache and resync. These steps fix most visibility and syncing issues. If errors persist, export item list for troubleshooting or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.